The Flow Pro chemical bypass system provides several key benefits that enhance pressure washing efficiency. 1. Improved efficiency. Bypassing the chemical injector during rinsing or surface cleaning, the system maximizes water flow, allowing for faster and more effective cleaning. This feature is particularly beneficial for reaching high surfaces, such as 3-story buildings, without losing pressure. 2. Quick installation. Flow Pro system can be installed in under 10 minutes, requiring only a connection to the pressure washer battery and a simple valve replacement. This rapid setup minimizes downtime, enabling contractors to quickly resume their work. 3. Reliable performance. Equipped with a durable, electronically activated ball valve, the Flow Pro system is designed for long-term use. Its remote control capability allows operators to manage chemical application from over 2,000 feet away, enhancing operational flexibility and reliability in the field.